Students, welcome to accountancy class. I am NARSIMULU, commerce teacher. Today I am going to teach you CEC first year accountancy. In that, an important chapter, subsidiary books. Dear students, here subsidiary books or the books which are helpful to record specific variety of transactions in the books books of business. So here the total subsidiary books are classified or divided into 8 types. They are namely purchase book, purchase returns book, sales book, sales returns book, cash book, bills receivable book, bills payable book, and last and final one, journal proper book. So these are the 8 subsidiary books which are used in a big organization in place of journal. So in place of journal, big organizations are going to be used to record particular variety of business transaction in these subsidiary books. Okay. So the purpose why we maintain these each subsidiary book we can go to understand. Purchase book can be used to record only credit purchases, and purchase returns book can be used to record only purchase return transactions, and sales book we can go to use to record only credit sales, and sales returns book can be used to record sales returns, and cash book can be used as a ledger also. So in this book we can go to record all types of cash transactions. And bills receivable book, in this book we are going to record all bills receivable information. And bills payable book, it is the book where we can go to record all bills payable information. And general proper is the book which we can go to use to record all the transactions which we can't record the above 7 books. Okay, so it is the journal proper. In this journal proper book we can go to record opening entries, closing entries, adjustment entries, and rectification entries, and other transactions which we can't write in the remaining subsidiary books. Okay, so these are the 8 subsidiary books are there, and you have to note this. In the annual examination, a 2 marks question will be given from this chapter, asking a question like what are the subsidiary books. Then you can go to write these 8 subsidiary books for the 2 marks question. Okay, when you write these 8 subsidiary books, you can get 2 marks. So what the question will be given in the annual examination? The question will be given like what are the subsidiary books, just what are the subsidiary books or subsidiary books. Then we can go to write these 8 books, only headings, no need to write the purpose also. If you write the headings of the subsidiary books, then you will be given 2 marks. I hope students you understood the types of subsidiary books. Thank you for watching this video.